To DoorDash like a breeze. Start by signing up to be a Dasher on the DoorDash website or mobile app. Fill out the application form with your personal and vehicle information, and attend an orientation session if required. Once approved, download the Dasher app and set up your account. Next, choose your schedule and availability, and wait for Dash requests. When a request comes in, review the details, including the pickup and drop-off locations, order total, and estimated earnings. Accept the Dash and navigate to the restaurant to pick up the order. Upon arrival, confirm the order with the restaurant staff and ensure it is accurate and complete. Take a photo of the order in the Dasher app to verify the pickup. Then, head to the customer's location and follow the in-app navigation for the most efficient route. When you arrive at the customer's location, confirm the delivery and hand over the order. Take another photo in the app to verify the delivery and collect your earnings. After completing the Dash, rate the customer and the restaurant to help improve the DoorDash experience. To maximize your earnings and efficiency, consider dashing during peak hours, such as lunch or dinner, and in high-demand areas. Keep your vehicle clean and well-maintained, and be prepared for variable weather conditions. Additionally, provide excellent customer service by being polite, courteous, and respectful to customers and restaurant staff. By following these steps and best practices, you can DoorDash like a breeze and enjoy a flexible and rewarding gig economy experience. Remember to stay organized, focused, and committed to delivering excellent service to succeed as a Dasher.